Hey Bay East brokers, I'm David Stark and welcome to The Story Behind the Numbers, a video series from Bay East exclusively for our broker members to share insights on market trends. The story this month, interest rates. Starting in August, rates hit the 7% range and are expected to stay in that territory for the foreseeable future. This is a challenge for buyers, sellers, and agents who, for the last decade, have enjoyed sub 6% rates. Those rates meant that buyers could pretty easily qualify for purchase financing and make aggressive offers. So what's the story? According to analysis from CAR, those low rates in California were an exception. From 1971 to 2009's, rates were north of 6% for 35 of those years. Yet buyers were able to qualify and purchase homes. Yes, there's a plot twist. Sales prices during that same period were lower, which meant lower mortgage payments. Another plot twist. Prices in the East Bay during 2023 continue to trend upwards. Meanwhile, buyers in the East Bay, working with their lender and realtor, are figuring out how to make competitive offers and how to make homeownership work, even in a 7% interest rate market. Homeownership was possible before we had a decade of low rates and is still possible now. That's the story behind the numbers this month. Please let us know if this video works or if there's a story behind the numbers you want us to look into. You can reach me directly at davids@bayeast.org. Thanks.